everybody and welcome back. If you want to fix the Outlook cannot connect to server and you are wondering how to do so, you may follow this process and you should be able to do it easily. So let's just get started. You can start by going ahead and checking up your internet connection, this one right here. You can restart your Wi-Fi, turn on the airplane mode and turn it off once again, and try accessing your Outlook server. And if that's not the issue, you can restart the Outlook completely. If you're using Outlook, you can close it completely. And if not here, you can even go to your task manager, hit enter, and within your task manager, look out for Outlook, find it up, right click on it and select the option of end task for Outlook. And once you complete it up, you can reopen the Outlook once again. And apart from that, what you can do is you can clear out the Outlook credentials. So for that, you can press Windows plus S and type in Credential Manager and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can basically look out for your Outlook credentials. You can look out for your Microsoft credentials, usually your Windows credentials. Open up Windows credentials and look out for your Outlook credentials here. So once you find Outlook, you can just go over and remove those. You can just go over and remove those, and once you remove it, you can look out for this remove option and confirm it up. You can just go over and restart the Outlook and then sign in once again on your device. Apart from that, you can prepare the Outlook or the Office. Press Windows plus R for that and then type in appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Once you do so, you can look out for Outlook here. And once you find the Outlook, right click on it. Or you can just go and open it. And once you right click on it, if you find the option for modifying it, this Outlook right here, you can modify it and choose the option of quick repair for this Outlook right here. So usually you can find a repair option, you can just go and repair it. And then even not this, you can uninstall it completely, your Outlook, you can install it and again reinstall it on your particular device. And apart from that, you can just go over and check the firewall blocking. Sometimes if there is firewall, that should completely not allow an app. So you can just go over and make sure that is turned off for once, and you can just go and turn it on once, back again. If nothing works, you can fix the corrupted Outlook profile. So you can go to your control panel and hit enter. Within control panel, you can look out for mail. This one right here. And within mail, you can just go over and look out for profiles and create up new profile email accounts. If there's a profile available, you can just go over and choose always use this profile or create or add up a new profile, and that should also probably work for you. So probably those are some of the solutions you can try out to fix that issue. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.